Hello and welcome to Nutrition Academy, hosted by Nutrition Maker Software. My name is Doug and I'll be taking you through this tutorial today. Today we're going to show you how to issue a detailed food log to your client. If you're a current customer, we hope this training video will help you use Nutrition Maker better and more efficiently. If you are not a current customer and you're just checking out Nutrition Maker, keep in mind that we offer a free 2-week trial and a 10% discount on signing up. The link and coupon are listed down below. Having your clients perform a detailed food log can help them be more aware of their eating habits and keep them on track with your meal plans. So let's get right to it.
A detailed food log is where your client records each food and amount for a certain period of time, typically 3 to 5 days. They log the foods using the free Nutrition Maker phone app. You can then examine the log to evaluate their eating habits. Nutrition Maker will also create you a detailed report of calories, macros, as well as excesses and deficiencies in various areas and nutrients. This can help you better adjust their eating habits. There are 2 ways to assign a detailed food log. First, go to your client record, choose Nutrition, go to the left menu and choose Detailed Food Log. Click on Assign Detailed Food Log. Choose your start date as well as the number of days. Click Assign. The patient will now receive notification on their health portal or their Nutrition Maker phone app. The alternative method is to go to the calendar, choose Detailed Food Log, drag that to the day that you want to start, and again you will be queued for the number of days. This time we're going to choose 4 days. Click on Add, and now you can see the detailed food log assignment. This is the previous log that we did just moments ago. You will be able to access your client's food log during the process or once it's completed. To show you how to do this, we're going to go to a different client. We're going to choose our sample client because we have a completed food log here as an example. Go to Nutrition, go to Detail Food Log. On the Edit button, you have the option to edit it, view it, delete it, or do a print analysis. With the analysis, you have a variety of options. The first page will show you calories as well as nutritional values. The ones in red typically are in excess of the recommended allowances. You can also see a breakdown of the macros. Then you will be presented with a detailed food log so that you can review this with your client. You can also view nutritional excesses, in this case fats and sodium, and deficiencies, in this case carbohydrates and protein. Now, there may be times when you have a client that is not technologically able to log their foods using the phone app. In this case, you can have them provide you with a written report in which you will enter the details. To do that, click on the Enter Detail Food Log. This will take you to the meal plan creation page where you can add the foods and the details based on what they provided you. For more details on this screen, see the tutorial on creating meal plans. Keep in mind that creating the food log for your client can take time, so we do advise adjusting fees accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If you've gotten value out of this tutorial, we hope that you would click on the like button. As well, you may want to click on the subscribe and notify button so that you can keep up to date on new training tutorials and any new features that we offer in Nutrition Maker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.